Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Estimate Committee jangka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly bala lamkhmat da UMLA uba Meral Bonds im kum chairman haka khat pratarik unailar arjar absan kala hiar jurep ye ki jingtai ki badangsa khongreng hapo kathemri boy ki jingtai ki ba ka Estimate Committee kila hiar jurep kilong ka polytechnic bat ka Industrial Training Institute ka badan haka raj Nongkrah Nonglingdo kumjuru ka office jong ka umsning CNRD block ka badang pentrei syad haka shenong umsning. Ha kate ke jingjurep bala donlang ki dekot jong ka committee kinthop yo uba Charles Marngar, uba Wailan Miki Shela MLA, uba Adelbert Nongrum, uba Remington G. Momin, bat u Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA, lembat ki he officer ka sorkar jela. Lalap baka ITI kabala mang pisah hadu I waypoint arpulai kelur menta kasyusa tangkum ka Ïingjah. Hadin kani ka komiti kala hiar jurepat saya ka polytechnic kabala mang pisah da ka sorkar pedeng khat arpoint laipu kelur ban a jing hikai haki course diploma haka interior design but beauty culture and cosmetology ya kabala lap baka kam kala dep hadu khandai po persen.
Di gini, next itu room ke tu, itu pengiyak, itu koridor, itu toilet di gini.
Cinam.
Today we had a privilege to visit through the Estimate Committee of the Meghalaya District Committee here to follow up the ongoing construction of the office of the BDO and the office of the Block Development Officer, Umsning CNRD Block. This is one of the projects which has been pending, and the committee observed that there are issues and reasons in which this project has been delayed. That's why the committee deemed fit to have a spot inspection today, and we had a first-hand information, and we have visited and have a thorough inspection about each and every component of the work, and where the official from the Community and Rural Development Technical Wing, they have briefed us, and we have observed that there is a delay in the completion of this very particular project, and the committee observed and directed the concerned contractor to complete the work within November 2025. That is the commitment that has been made by the contractor and official, and we do hope that with the regular inspection that we have and with the dream and aspiration of the government to complete all the office of the CNRD block in the state to be completed in time, so that this office will give a proper service to the people at large, especially to the headmen, to the VOs, to various NGOs or SAG who have their direct or indirect relationship with the department itself. So we do hope that with this inspection, that this project will complete as per the mandate, as per the date, that the deadline that has been placed upon the committee today. Today we had visited various projects in other parts of the Riboy district also, with regard to the construction of ITI as well as the polytechnic in Nongkrah. And we have seen there is quite positive progress of work with regard to the polytechnic, and we hope that within few months it will be completed and the service to the people can be given through different branches and departments through this polytechnic, as well as the construction of the ITI at Nongkrah, which has been stalled for some time due to various reasons, which include the approach road as well as the external electrification as well as water supply. So these are issues that the committee has observed and will take up with the concern and to ensure that it will take place and to make it functional as soon as possible.
Sa sisin pat na riu kiksay kadetara. Kijing sawa kijing tiit jang kabom batik sing. Kijing put bemelong ke syarati bat ke besli. Kesur besiang katang muri bat kesur besngotiang kemarin ting. Kesap bekerpang kisam lakari. Kikai tor gesimping kidu halya. Kitin shop kipuran hala kesap bebon rukam. Shen kini barok hakui ke program bat nga ke Felicia lalu. Kemarin ting lawan Rakshapi tak bati CTV.